Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Julie Emulator on a Visteon DCU 102 ECU found in a 2008 Fiat Ducato with 2.2 multi-jet engine and 100 horsepower. This ECU is equipped with an ST10F276 processor. In order to read it and change its content, we will use eOBD2 device by FG Technology. We have to set the ECU into boot mode. To do this, you have to solder two 1 kΩ resistors in the places marked on the ECU and connect the ECU according to the pinout. While connecting, always use the instruction manual of the reading device. Now, select your processor from the list. Click ECU data, and once the data has been read from the ECU, click Read File. After reading the file, make a backup copy of it. Now, using a hex editor, go to addresses from 61D6 to 61DC and remember these values. Remember that the values from these addresses will be different in every ECU. Look for these values in the whole memory content. Change the values in these addresses to A5 values. Now, we have to write the changed content by clicking Write File. Remove the 1 kΩ resistors. Now, solder jumpers 5, 6 and 7 on Julie Emulator using a soldering iron and some tin. Connect the wires. Ground, CAN high, CAN low, power. Before the emulator adjusts itself, you may have to turn the ignition on and off a few times. The blue LED means correct self-adjustment. That's all. If you like this video, remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.